What's good, guys? Back with another video. GT3 right here trying to erase me. He's saying there's a cop. Shit sounds hella nice though. Smashing on that thing. Honestly, I picked up the camera a little late, but that's a super nice 911 right there. Hey mate, that might have to be the next upgrade, guys. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Porsche on the channel next. Might have to do that one. I told y'all I was gonna smash on it this video, so we definitely gonna smash on it. I definitely heard y'all in that last video, okay? I know I should have smashed on a little bit more, okay? Forgive me. Forgive me. I was a little hesitant, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, first video back, I had to, you know what I'm saying, I had to be lightweight, kind of chill with it. That shit is super nice, man. Our little Q50, boy, you better hold us. Pulled up to my boy's house. Got the homie right here. We're bringing the E90 335 out. Full bolt-ons right here. Making like 600. No, I'm joking. He's making like probably four something. But we finna head out. Y'all finna see us. See what we'll get into. It is? Damn. We're going the wrong way. You're good. Not really. It's not smoking like that. Just a little. I only saw it one time. It was when you accelerated, yeah.
Like going how fast? Like 10?
Yeah, low. I told y'all I was going full send in this video. I wasn't playing, boy. I wasn't playing, boy. Full send this video. Full send. Told y'all, boys, I ain't playing around. I ain't playing around. For real. For real. Jeez. And it's 95, boy. Hey, for y'all, boys. For y'all. Y'all in the comment section saying I was smashing. Hey. What you think I'm doing now? What you think I'm doing now? And I'm on low boost too. And I'm on low boost. Man, wait till I turn this thing up a notch, man, to like 24 pounds, man. This shit gonna be a rocket. A rocket ship. A rocket ship. Just wait. Just wait. If y'all haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit thumbs up too, man. We coming out with these POVs on a regular. Just get used to it, you know? Just get used to it. Hear that turbo flutter and all that goodness. Got my boy behind me in the E90 335. His car's smoking just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So he a little worried about that. Oh. Okay. Full send at the stoplight, boys. A stoplight, stop sign. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Told y'all, full send. I told y'all boys. Told y'all boys. I told y'all. Another one? Another one, huh? Y'all want another one? Another one, huh? Let it cool out, let it cool out. Sheesh. Oh shit, there's a 4. Old school with it. On the switches too. That shit hard, bruh. Been in corners on that thing. Peaceful Sunday drive, boys. I told y'all I was gonna bring it. I told y'all. I told y'all.